Hey guys, hi. This is Abhishek, Master Teacher of Physics at Vedantu. कैसी चले मेरे बच्चों की जिंदगी? People, I really hope always are enjoying your life to the fullest because this is the time to enjoy. Actually, हमारे उम्र के जब हो जाओगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होगी. And welcome back to the close-up episode number 8. बहुत ज्यादा मचा चुके हैं हम 8th एपिसोड तक. इतने अमेजिंग टीचर्स आ चुके हैं. संजीव सर भी आ चुके हैं दशरथ स्पेशल के लिए. इट हैड बीन एन अमेजिंग जर्नी टिल नाउ. इट्स सो सैड टू सी दैट कि इन जस्ट नेक्स्ट 2 सेशंस द एंटायर close-up would be ending. It's so damn amazing. Season 1 would be ending. So, and based on the performance we have got, based on the feedback we have got from you guys, based on the response we have got from you guys, it's really amazing. And it is, of course, that we'll be coming back with season 2. But obviously, after your board examinations, अभी इसके बाद जो हमारा फिनाले हो जाएगा इस पर्टिकुलर सीजन का, we'll only focus on your studies, है ना? उसके बाद फिर हम दोबारा सीजन 2 स्टार्ट करेंगे आपके एग्जामिनेशंस के बाद. तो जुड़े रहना जब तक हो सके. Now let's come back to today's guest. हाँ, क्या ही कहें इनके बारे में. जब हमने उमंग सीरीज स्टार्ट की थी तब आपको पता ही है कि व्हाई व्हाट वाज द रीजन व्हाई दिस टीचर केम अप. दैट्स बिकॉज unfortunately one other teacher had to leave, है ना? And this teacher came up, and what wonderful things this teacher has done in this very short while. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have made her as your favorite teacher, not on your 9th and 10th channel, but also on the entire YouTube for SST. And one small thing to say about this right now is that she is not basically an SST teacher, she's an English teacher. And on Vedantu's platform, she teaches English. But look at the bravery that she teaches 2 subjects to CBSE 9th, CBSE 10th, and ICSE 10th. 2 different grades, 2 different boards, 2 different subjects. And you can imagine the amount of hard work she must be doing. So I'm really proud to welcome her to this session today. I'm really hoping you guys are also proud to welcome her in the session of Close-Up. So people, with huge round of applause, let's welcome Ankana ma'am into the session right now. Ankana ji, namaste. Kem cho?
आंखें भर आई अभिषेक.
लगा ना मेरे को ना, मैं भी थोड़ा इमोशनल हो गया आपके बारे में बात करते हुए. कैसी हो आप?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Definitely good. I would like to tell students something right now before I go ahead and you start introducing yourself once again. Thing is कि people, close-up start होने से पहले मैंने कल इनको कॉल किया था. आज रिकॉर्डिंग है, कल कॉल किया था मैंने, और इन्होंने देखा हुआ है क्लोजअप, और उन्होंने कहा कि आपको मेरे फोटोज नहीं मिलेंगे, आपको मेरे फेसबुक पिक्स नहीं मिलेंगे, आपको मेरे इंस्टाग्राम के पिक्स नहीं मिलेंगे. और मैंने ढूंढा, मिले नहीं. लेकिन हम भी कौन थे हार मानने वाले. कुछ किया है मैंने ऐसा आज, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स डाउन टू द गैलरी वाला सीन. बहुत मजा आने वाला बच्चों. प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड टिल दैट, एंड प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द एंटायर सेशन. आप लोग देखो कितना ज्यादा मजा आता है आज. तो या
You're scaring me, Abhishek. You're scaring me. I have a bad feeling about this.
It's gonna happen today. You just challenged me and my entire team of Close-Up कि नहीं यूं कर सकते हो. We'll show you now. Okay, so how are you?
You can take it. You can think of this otherwise. I brought the best in you.
True, I'll agree to that. And the best is going to be the funniest ever on Close-Up. So, कहाँ पे हो अभी?
सही कहते हैं, किसी का बेस्ट किसी का वर्स्ट हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, agreed. मेरे क्वेश्चंस को इग्नोर कर रही हो आप. कहाँ पे हो अभी? बैंगलोर में हो?
बैंगलोर में. अभी बैंगलोर में हूँ. 2 दिन बाद घर जाना है.
2 दिन बाद घर जाना है. दिवाली. फ्लाइट कैंसिल नहीं हो रही है क्या?
लग तो नहीं रहा.
Shit. Okay.
इस बार नहीं.
That is true. इस बार नहीं. Okay. That is so damn amazing. तो कितने दिन हो गए आके बैंगलोर में आए हुए?
क्या?
बैंगलोर में आए हुए कितने दिन हो गए अभी?
लॉकडाउन के बाद I came back in July. तो वैसे तो 4 महीने, बट बैंगलोर में मैं 2 साल से हूँ.
Right. Exactly. कहाँ से हो आप? Because I don't think many of the students actually know that. Obviously, they know from the launch which we had, but after that, it's really confusing because you look like a bit of Chinese, like me, and then you have that Nepali wala touch also. So where are you actually from?
So मैं बिहारी हूँ. बच्चा लोग जान लो, ठीक है? True Bihari, and I was born in Bodh Gaya, or so this look and my appearance could come from there. पर मैं बचपन से रांची में रही हूँ. I've grown up, finished my education, schooling, and in fact even college in Ranchi.
Great.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. So this is a bit of Jharkhand, there's a bit of Bihari, there's a bit of both
Yeah.
going on everywhere, isn't it? That's fantastic. That's fantastic. So that's amazing. And how do you feel coming on to Close Up? कैसा लग रहा है Close Up में आकर? मजा आ रहा है? आपने सारे टीचर्स को देखा, क्या learnings क्या थी आपके बाकी सारे एपिसोड्स को देखकर?
Be prepared for anything.
Be prepared,
I
right?
think that's the learning now.
That's a very good learning. Very good learning because the things gonna happen today. Oh my God. तौबा ठीक है. Anyways,
ऐसे
you know,
होता है
before,
ना, जब आप पढ़ा रहे होते हो तो you feel like you have that power, but बाप
Right.
का भी बाप होता है.
right. Are you used to all these sorts of kahavats and things which you are not supposed to say on YouTube? Are you used to things like this?
इसमें क्या problem है?
नहीं, कोई problem नहीं. It's just if we don't use it, that's all. कोई problem नहीं. Great. Now I know why students like you a lot. Okay, great. Okay, so before I enter into my questions all around, I also want to play a game with you. Since you are an English teacher, and I had the same exact entry with the Shweta ma'am also, and she blasted that off amazingly well. So the score as an average, which Shweta ma'am, which Priya ma'am, which Sanjeev sir from Edumantra, Priya ma'am, Sanjeev sir from Edumantra, they scored was 14,000 points in that particular game. Did you see that game? Did you have a chance to see that game?
No, I have
Okay,
not.
that game is called as text to twist. Okay, so I'll show you that game. I'll show you how that happens. We'll quickly go for that round, and if in case you score 14,000 points, what you'll be having is 2 points extra in your bucket, which you can use it anytime in the session, anytime in the closer episode, wherever you want to add the 2 points so that you get the prize money for today. I'll tell you about the prize money later, but are you ready to have that extra benefit of 2 points there?
Of course, why not?
Why not? Okay,
Yeah.
great. So I'm gonna share my screen now, and let's see. Okay, yeah. So you can see that game right now there.
Yeah.
Okay, you see those two games. Okay, so what is the game's name is Text to Twist. What happens here is
Oh,
I just
mhm.
okay, you have seen this. Okay, so what happens
Yes,
is I
yes.
turn on this game, and there are a few letters written here, and you tell me
Like
from seeing these
Niels.
letters. Exactly.
Mm.
Exactly. I can just go for KNWE, and that gives you 4 word, and that gives you the points. So I can see you have 2,000 points. So you can give me a 5-letter word, you can give me a 6-letter word, you can give me a 3-letter word. How many letters you want, you can give it to me. 14,000 points is the benchmark. If in case you score more than 14,000 in just 2 minutes, you get 14,000 points. Are you ready?
Yes. इसी से बनाना है.
नहीं, of course not. I'll give you a new one. Not that easy. Anko. Okay, got the idea?
Yes.
Okay. So
Bring
let's
it
get
on.
Bring it on, yeah? Okay, let me just turn down the music. Okay. So your time starts in 3. You will tell me the words, I'll type it down, okay? 3, 2, 1, now.
Live. Lively.
Well done.
हाँ?
Live
Lively.
is done. Lively. अच्छा,
Live बोला,
lively.
फिर lively भी बोला.
Ooh, not bad.
VILE, फिर VIEL. No, VILE. Oh, sorry, VEIL. How can I misspell this? VEIL.
VEIL wheel. Great.
फिर LIE, LIE, LIE.
Great.
YELL, YELL.
YELL.
Yeah.
Fantastic. You're doing really great. You still have 1 minute more.
How can कुछ चमक ही नहीं रहा यार.
Come on. You're losing this. 50 seconds more. Oh my God.
प्रेशर मत डालो, सोचने दो.
Pressure.
VILE किया था.
VILE. अभी किया मैंने.
हाँ. See, it's your fault. वरना हो जाता मेरा. मुझे ज्यादा टाइम मिलना चाहिए.
Close up itself.
ELL.
ELL.
I have no idea what that is. Yeah.
Oh, exactly 14,000 points. You just need one more word to
Yes.
cross this. You've reached the target. I need to overcome the target. 20 seconds more.
LIV.
LIV हो चुका है.
LIV नहीं
15
हुआ है.
LIV हो चुका है, लाइव इतना बड़ा लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे।
LIVE नहीं, LIVE नहीं।
अच्छा LIV, live. No, that's not a word. 5 seconds
कुछ नहीं
more.
होता है।
4, 3, 2, 1, party! Okay. Sadly, you missed out a lot of words.
Evil छूट गया यार,
Ivy,
सामने
Ivy.
बैठा है फिर भी छूट गया।
Exactly. Evil छूट गया आपसे. Oh my God, evil. Anku, your synonym is evil. Come on, how can you forget this word? But still, you got 14,000 points down there. 14,000 points, and that is definitely commendable. And I think I should give you those 2 points, which you must definitely deserve. Well done, fantastic. You have those 2 points in your bucket. So how do you feel? How confident do you feel now for the entire close-up episode?
अब लग रहा है कि हो जाएगा यार।
हो जाएगा? That's where you go wrong. क्योंकि अभी हम जो करेंगे इसके आगे।
I should tell this to my dear students. पर चलो, इस आदमी ने मुझे बहुत डराया है, ठीक है? ये इसके 10 मिनट पहले मुझे कॉल करके हंस रहे थे जोर जोर से कि आपका फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम एक्सेस नहीं हुआ है, तो अभी मेरे पास कुछ नया है और आपकी लगने वाली है।
Yes, and you'll be seeing that. You'll be seeing that in my questions round, and that's going to be really fun. तो या you gave me this challenge, जैसे मैंने कहा। तो बच्चों, जैसा आप लोग ना, जैसे इतना ये जो शरीफ इंसान दिख रहा है ना आपको सामने, अंकना जी, जिनको हम प्यार से अंकु कहते हैं, तो जितना आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे ना, इतनी शरीफ है नहीं ये बंदी। She is very very naughty. She pranks a lot, and I'll be fortunate कि हमने अभी तक ऑफिस में मुलाकात नहीं की, because she is similar to श्वेता मैम, जो कंपनी में आई और हम मुलाकात नहीं कर पाए, कोविड के दौरान आई है। ठीक है, मेरे ख्याल से कोविड यही लाई थी कंपनी में भी। You never know.
In a way, yes. जो लोग समझ गए वो समझ गए। Fantastic. Okay, so now we are entering into my favorite round, which is called as my questions, because I'll ask you my questions and we'll be having those questions. So people, honestly, wait down. You'll see some amazing pictures of Ankana ma'am going on. Okay. Okay. So Ankana ma'am, I have. You have pictures? There's some. यार, लोगों के अकाउंट से तुमने टैग पिक्चर्स निकाल ली हैं।
We'll see. Question number 1 to you. What is the naughtiest thing you have ever done? I would like to know, because शरारत की किस हद तक जा सकती हो देखना।
So बहुत कुछ किया है वैसे तो, बट जब हम लोग छोटे थे ना, तो मेरी बहन मुझसे 7 साल बड़ी है।
Okay.
और एज अ स्टूडेंट मेरा पढ़ने में बिल्कुल मन नहीं लगता था, ठीक है?
Of course.
So, and it's very ironical that I'm a teacher right now, and I shouldn't be saying this, but yeah, that has been how it has been. And being the younger one, I was always more pampered and spoiled.
Right.
तो हमारे ट्यूशन टीचर आया करते थे, और मैं खुद से बैठ के नहीं पढ़ती थी, मुझे मेरे सर पे किसी को बैठना पड़ता था, फिर मैं पढ़ लेती थी। मतलब I basically needed company. तो जब तक मेरी बहन रहती थी, मैं साथ साथ पढ़ लेती थी। तो जब उसको पढ़ाने के लिए ट्यूशन टीचर आते थे घर पे होम ट्यूटर, तो मुझे मेरी मम्मी साथ में से चिपका देती थी कि इधर ही बैठ जाओ, ठीक है? So once what we did was, and he was actually the lab assistant of my sister's school.
Okay.
तो हमारे पेरेंट्स घर पे नहीं थे और हमने जो भी घड़ियां थी आसपास उन सबका टाइम बदल दिया।
Okay.
और जब वो आए तो हमने बोला, सर आप आज देर से आए हो, ऐसा करके हमने उनको बोला कि नहीं टाइम तो हो गया। और वो बेचारे पास में ही रहते थे, अकेले रहते थे एक छोटे से कमरे में। ही वाज लिविंग अलोन।
Right.
तो वो भी बेचारे वो हो गए, उन्हें लगा कि कंफ्यूज हो गए कि मतलब सही बोल रहे हैं, सब बोल रहे तक कन्विंस हो गया, सारी घड़ियों में एक ही टाइम हो रहा है।
Right.
तो हमने फिर ऐसे बोल करके बोला कि आप जल्दी आ गए हो, ठीक है? तो उनका टाइम पीछे करा दिया। उन्होंने भी अपना रिस्ट वॉच, उनके रूम में घड़ी नहीं थी, उन्होंने अपना रिस्ट वॉच ही अपना यूज किया करते थे, वो भी चेंज कर लिया। फिर उनको भेज दिया हमने, और फिर उस दिन वो दोबारा नहीं आए, तो हम तो बच गए, हमने एंजॉय कर लिया, चिल कर लिया। अगले दिन बेचारे की बस मिस हो गई यार, क्योंकि वो बस स्टॉप पे देर से पहुंचे because he was using his wristwatch, और वो उनका स्कूल मिस हो गया।
Oh my god. देख रहे हो बच्चे,
मेरी बहन का हाथ ज्यादा बड़ा था क्योंकि वो बड़ी है।
I'm not agree to it.
But yeah.
I understand that. तो बच्चों, आप लोग देख रहे हो ना किस तरीके के खुराबाती लोग हैं यहाँ पे, देख रहे हो आप? Exactly, right. तो यही मकसद है हमारा क्लोजअप के थ्रू, कि आप लोग जानो अपने टीचर्स को कि कितने ज्यादा शरारती रह चुके हैं। क्या बात है। तो दैट इज द नॉटिएस्ट थिंग यू हैव डन।
मैं बहुत पिटी हूं यार बचपन में, मतलब मैंने बहुत टॉर्चर किया अपने मम्मी पापा को।
राइट, पिट के ये हाल हुआ है ना। मतलब पिटने के बाद कितना सुधरी हो, बताओ? सुधरी हो कि मतलब
फर्क नहीं पड़ा, अब मुझे डर भी नहीं लगता है किसी से। आप लोग मुझसे डरते हैं।
एग्जैक्टली नहीं यार, आज के सेशन में आपको डर लगे, मैंने सेशन के स्टार्टिंग में बोलते थे कि आपके इस वीडियो के थ्रू मीम्स बनेंगे, और बच्चों मैं आपको पूरा राइट्स देता हूँ, इस वीडियो को जैसे यूटिलाइज करना आप यूटिलाइज करो, कॉपीराइट का स्ट्राइक आपको नहीं पड़ने वाला है, यू आर गोना एंजॉय दिस पार्ट, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कमिंग ऑन योर स्क्रीन राइट नाउ। Initially when you started teaching here, of course a lot of students criticized you a bit and obviously compared you with the teacher whom you were sort of replacing, if that's the term. So how did you handle that criticism? How did you handle it? Because it's really tough to a sort of trying filling in someone's shoes, which I'm pretty sure you were not actually doing it, you were making your own marks. But how do you feel that criticism? Because I know personally you have spoken to me कि क्या क्या हो रहा था उस दौरान. So what is your take on this?
I think the only thing which kind of helped me through was that I was prepared for this. I knew,
Right.
because see, I understand कि it doesn't matter how well I was doing, or even if I was doing it or not. Even as a student मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है कि it doesn't matter कि जो नया बंदा है वो अच्छा कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. Once you're connected to someone, it's more about that emotion that you have with that person.
Right, absolutely.
And I think Teach for India वाली चीज के थ्रू मैंने ये सीखा हुआ है कि वो connection बनाने में takes some good amount of time.
Right.
So
right.
I did receive a lot of hate comments also, like literally hate comments, but it didn't bother me because I understood where the students were coming from. They kind of lost something which was valuable to them.
Absolutely.
So it didn't make sense for me to hold it against them क्योंकि वो अपनी तरफ से एक तरह से शायद सही थे.
Right.
So I just tried to give my best.
Right, and slowly you actually started receiving emails which actually from criticism went on forward for a bit of praising, and then they started following you as well, right?
Yeah, and I think that's what has really inspired me, and now I'm also comfortable with everyone. मतलब मैं अगर खुद के वीडियोस देखूं तो मैं पहले बहुत कॉन्शियस होकर सिर्फ पढ़ाती थी और चली जाती थी, बट नाउ आई फील दैट कनेक्शन, और इस वजह से मैं भी इतनी कंफर्टेबल हूँ कि मैं भी साथ साथ मतलब बकवास कर लेती हूँ.
Nothing new, but yeah, well done. So you are comfortable now in your comfort zone now.
Yeah.
Right? बकवास करने वाले एरिया में. बच्चों कैसे टीचर आपने रखा हुआ है? Okay, great, fantastic. ठीक है
ना?
I know.
Tarji, it's like सामने क्या होता है, that's what they bring out in you, and by this I mean no offense to kids, बच्चे मेरे अंदर अच्छा ही ला रहे हैं, but जैसे I'm bringing the best out of you, you're bringing बकवास out of me, so that's how it's fun.
I am bringing out of it because you are full of that, so it is coming out. If you're not having it, you will not come out like that. बच्चों देख रहे हो ना? What I'll say, okay, I hope you're enjoying the conversation now. Okay, one more question, then we'll enter into the pictures which we all are waiting for. How do you balance 2 subjects together, man? It's really hectic, I believe. You have English, you have SST, and you teach English in the paid classes, and you teach SST on YouTube, and you teach class 9, class 10th of CBSE, then you teach ICC 10th. How do you do all this? How do you do it?
मेरी बैंड बजी रहती है. यही सच है. देखो मैं पूरे टाइम ना, पहले मेरे आसपास खाने का सामान मिलता था, फोन्स मिलते थे, और मेरे पास आसपास किताबें मिलती हैं. It's just so handy. It's so, I keep it so handy कि मुझे जब मौका मिले मैं किताबें उठाकर पढ़ती हूँ, and you wouldn't believe, and this is I think the millennial generation does this कि हमें वॉशरूम फोन लेके जाने की आदत है. मैं आजकल किताब लेकर जाती हूँ. ऐसा भी होता है. Right. तो मतलब भाई मेरे मम्मी पापा कह रहे हैं कि बेटा इतना पहले पढ़ लिया होता तो यूपीएससी निकाल लिया होता, टॉप कर गई होती. मैं कहा पैसे नहीं मिल रहे थे ना पहले.
This is so damn fantastic. Okay, great. That's amazing. So,
but yeah, with English it's not so difficult. With social science, naturally because it's not my subject, I need to have that amount of preparation Absolutely. To deliver. Yeah.
Right, and you cannot, doesn't matter you're teaching for free on YouTube or anything. How you can never compromise on the kind of education you give it. You never can compromise on the quality of the education you can give it to students, because it's the students, it's their future, it's their career. You cannot do that to them, right? That's fantastic. That's so amazing of you. तो आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हो? क्या कह रही थी आप? कहाँ पे जन्म हुआ था आपका? गया. अच्छा, उसके बाद then of course बिहार, So I actually searched on Google because of course I was not able to find your pictures on Facebook and Insta. So I searched on Google and I found really interesting pictures of yours. Trust me. And you were on the pictures of Bhojpuri movies. I'm like, how's that? You were in Bhojpuri dance. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm going to show it to you. People, I want everyone to look into this very carefully. So this is the first picture I want to show it to you. Okay? Check this out. This is the first picture where you are, in a Bhojpuri dance.
I hate you, Abhishek. What is this? तुमसे बुरा इंसान मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं देखा है. अगर मेरे कभी बच्चे हुए ना, मैं कभी उनको तुमसे नहीं मिलवाऊंगी.
But you're dancing really well. That's not it though.
Yeah,
that's not it. Then
Oh
so
my
you're doing a very good
God.
Bhojpuri dance. You're doing a very good Bhojpuri dance. So where was this actually? Which year was this?
This is just few months back. लॉकडाउन में यही करते थे हम लोग एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए.
Right. तो एक बार ऐसे ठुमका हो जाए. ऐसे नहीं?
नहीं, तुम्हारे लिए कुछ नहीं.
No, okay, great. So Bhojpuri dance was fine with me, but then I saw you in movies for Bhojpuri. I was like, oh my god, look at this Kanyadan, and you're there in this movie.
ये मूवी देख करके ना मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे पीछे पड़ गए कि बेटा अब शादी कर लो. इसके पहले तक उनके दिमाग में आइडिया चमका नहीं था कि इसकी शादी करानी. उनको लगता था कोई करेगा ही नहीं.
I love the name of the movie. Was this your idea? Kanyadan was your movie's name of the idea, and you're standing with a lathi.
Desperate to get married, so I was like, yeah, यही नाम रखो.
Right. But why are you standing with a lathi there? What was the purpose?
ताकि तुम्हारे जैसे जो लोग हैं उनको भगा दूंगी. इसके साथ नहीं.
Right. I know. I understand. So which hero did you like in this? Did you like this hero here, or did you like this hero here, and why are you actually going down to heels? आशीर्वाद देने के लिए मतलब what was happening in the scenario? Students would love to know.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है इस मूवी के डायरेक्टर आप ही क्यों नहीं बता देते आप क्या
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. So people, this movie is available on YouTube with Bhojpuri full HD movies available. Please definitely support Ankaraman there. So this was one of the movies, and then I saw one of your latest movies which came out, and that I love the poster of that. That picture was this Rani Vets Raja. I was like,
Why have you picked up all the movies आप ऐसे रानी वेड्स राजा, कन्यादान ऐसे ही. मतलब अभिषेक I know आपकी शादी नहीं हो रही है, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप बाकी लोगों के पीछे पड़ जाओ. Guys, this is a conspiracy. ये आदमी यहाँ पे साजिश कर रहे हैं ताकि इसके ऊपर से ध्यान हट जाए और लोग अब मेरी शादी की बात करने लगे. But don't forget,
you yourself said you're desperate for marriage.
No.
You yourself said. So do you like this hero here? Was the ending with marriage?
Oh, I'm in love with him.
In love with him? Yeah, great. What is his name?
मैं शादी करूंगी तो इससे ही करूंगी, नहीं तो किसी से नहीं करूंगी.
नहीं करेंगे. Okay. What is his name? Raja. Fantastic. So this was not it. This was not it. And I searched again, and Anku, you're so damn famous. I'm like, come on, how can someone be so famous? I know, right? You are in Bhojpuri movies, you are in that Bhojpuri dance, and then I find you in PUBG. I'm like, how? You're in the PUBG's poster also.
बहुत ही घटिया आइडिया है आपका. मैं बता दे रही हूँ, आप जो तो खुश हो रहे हो ना. How old are you? 6?
How are you so damn famous? How are you so damn famous? Look at that. Oh my god. What a
hidden talent है. सबको नहीं पता है इसके बारे में. It was supposed to be a secret. Why did you let it out?
English, SST, CBSE 9, CBSE 10, ICC 10, Bhojpuri dance, Bhojpuri movies, Rani Vets Raja, and then PUBG. Oh my god, that's such a talent. Anku, that's such a talent. Oh
so
my god,
students, all the students who keep asking me कि आप PUBG खेलते हो, बेटा मैंने बनाया ये गेम, अब मत पूछना.
Right, exactly. So how do you feel when PUBG was banned? Did you feel shocked? Did you feel sad about it?
Of course, मेरे पैसे कम हो जाने वाले आने वाले, मतलब I'll have to think of other business ideas.
I know, right? I think we should continue in the line of Bhojpuri movies. That's a very good future out there.
So I'm thinking of taking it to another level.
Exactly right. I just really wish that you were in the song of Rinkia Ke Papa. I would have been, would have a bigger followers.
If you search more, you might find videos with me in
That's a good idea for the next close-up. That's a good idea for the next close-up. That's a very good idea for the next close-up. People in the next close-up will bring Ankara Man's videos also. Don't worry. Right? So, so I really hope always enjoy this. Thank you.
I hate you to the core.
Right? बस मेरी जिंदगी इसी hatred से बनती है. The last question to you. I had fun. My question is आखिरी सवाल. So, this is the same question I asked Prathama, and I wanted to know your opinion as well. The question is, as a female teacher, how do you handle abuses? It's very critical to have that understanding, because I don't think and that's it's inevitable. क्योंकि बच्चों को आप जितना भी there are one or two who will come up and crank up your mind. That happens, and so how do you handle it?
So I would say, मतलब initially it was more difficult because I was very new to this and I used to take it personally, but then मैंने आपसे भी इस बारे में conversation की है, मैंने और भी लोगों को बोला है, because it has kind of caught me off guard. और फर्क पड़ता है यार, मतलब हमें लगता है कहना आसान है कि it's okay, it happens, ignore कर दो, but cyberbullying is something which needs to stop. Right. Because ये जो immense power मिल गया है लोगों को स्क्रीन के पीछे एक pseudonym के पीछे बैठ करके कुछ भी लिखने का, that's not bravery, that's not courage what you're showing. And so eventually yeah, exactly. So eventually I figured, and through conversations with my friends, family, and people who were trying to boost me up with it, I just figured कि exactly it's not me, it's them. मुझ में problem नहीं है. They have some issue. उनके दिमाग में वो गंदगी है या लोचा है, जो भी है. Right. So I just need to stop, let that in and affect me. Right. Because at the same time जब वो एक काफी बुरा, इतना ही बुरा और डिग्रेडिंग कमेंट आ रहा है, उसके साथ 100 और बहुत अच्छे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. So I'm just trying to channelize this my energy and everything and my focus over there and get inspired by that instead of this. Right. It's right. Okay. Absolutely. Yeah. And that's a really good way to take it up. So I'm really proud of you. Well done with that. Well done with that. So both all the teachers, all the female teachers. In fact, you have also helped me a lot. So I actually want to take this opportunity and thank you. Thank you so much for that. Because yeah, really initially, and I have not met anyone else. मतलब आपसे, मतलब guys, as he said, मैंने lockdown में join किया, so I do not have a lot of friends yet because I've not, friends in the sense मेरी normal interaction बहुत कम लोगों से हो पाई है, credits right. COVID. So with the limited amount of people I know and I'm close to, have really helped me a lot in Vedanta. So yeah.
You're welcome. I think that's my job as a channel anchor, no? So, but I think it was more like a friendly talk rather than the professional talk. And I'm really glad that,
Absolutely.
Now we are in that friend circle. So it's an amazing thing. Really proud of you, how you have tackled all the scenarios. It was really difficult for you as well. Really proud. I wish you all the best going on the future. And on that note, my questions round ends right now here. How much fun did you have in this particular round?
Quite a lot. मतलब मुझे लगा I'm a dying star now, but you gave me a chance to relive my moments of fame again. Thank you, Abhishek.
Always, no issues at all. No issues at all. Always there.
Next time I promise.
Right. Next season, I'll make sure that I call you up and I'll bring videos of you doing the Bhojpuri dance and coming up and putting dialogues on the Bhojpuri movies, playing PUBG, everything I'll do. Don't worry about that. Right?
Sure.
Promise you that. Okay. Now we're entering into the round which we call it as क्या आप 7वीं क्लास से थे? Actually it was 8वीं क्लास, but I think आपके लिए मैंने थोड़ा lower grade 7वीं क्लास में आ गया हूँ. Do you think you will be able to tackle these questions?
I think so, but I'll not be overconfident over here.
Overconfident, right. So as of the leaderboard, Shweta ma'am is the highest scorer as of now. She has scored 8 out of 10 points. What's going to happen is कि we are going to play 3 games. कि आप 8वीं क्लास से थे और इसके बाद 2 और गेम हम खेलेंगे. And in this particular game, you will get 5 points, and in the next game, you will get 3, and the last game, you will get 2 more points. Okay? So if in case you score, more than 7 out of all these 3 games, you're gonna get 1,000 rupees from the close-up team, and the same 1,000 rupees will be going on forward for the COVID-19 funds. So it's a huge responsibility. Do you think you'll be able to score at least 7 points?
I'll try to.
Well, right? You should know that you already have the 2 points of kitty wala वहाँ पे है अभी भी आपके पास. So many good games.
Yes.
Right? So ideally you just have to score 5 points this entire game. Ready? Okay, so we will welcome to the round which is called as Kya Aap 8वीं class se the. So question number 1 coming from chemistry. Have you any idea what chemistry is? That's not the question Bholu is asking.
यार मुझे साइंस तो कभी भी पसंद नहीं था, बट ठीक है, पूछ लो.
I'm really confident on me now. Heat from the sun. Heat from the sun reaches to us by radiation, conduction, convection, or all of these.
ये कैसा सवाल है?
I gave you 4 options.
इसे तो पढ़ा नहीं था कुछ हमने स्कूल में.
नहीं पढ़ा था, 7th में पढ़ाते हैं अभी. आप CBSE वाली थी?
रेडिएशन.
Radiation, sure. Not conduction, convection. क्यों?
No.
नहीं.
बस नहीं है.
नहीं है. That's the right answer for the first question. Well done. Well done. Don't look smart, but you might be a bit smart there. Great job. Well done. You score 1 point out there.
3 points हो गए ना?
2 को अलग रखते हैं ना, 1 पॉइंट मिलेगा. 2 को अलग रखते हैं, बाद में देखेंगे. कैसा क्या 5 मार्क्स तक करेंगे, उसके बाद हम नहीं लिखेंगे पेपर, ऐसा बात है क्या? ओके, फिजिक्स का सवाल. हाउ स्ट्रांग डू यू थिंक यू आर इन फिजिक्स?
फिजिक्स क्यों?
क्योंकि नहीं पढ़ाती हो आप. एसएससी थोड़ी पूछूंगा, इंग्लिश थोड़ी पूछूंगा.
नहीं पसंद है फिजिक्स.
यार ये हर कोई जो क्लोजअप में आता है सब लोग यही कहते हैं मेरे को फिजिक्स पसंद नहीं है. क्या इतना क्या बुरा कर लिया मैंने और फिजिक्स ने ओके साथ? हद है यार.
मैंने हमेशा से बुरा है, हेट फिजिक्स.
Question is, where can the switch be placed in the circuit? Option A, left side of the battery. Option B, right side of the battery. Option C, can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Option D, near the positive terminal of the bulb.
ये आखिरी वाला नहीं होता तो मैं बता देती.
क्या बता दे आखिरी बात.
नहीं, switch can be placed anywhere.
Anywhere. It's not near the positive terminal of the bulb. That's a very critical point though. Think about it.
Can be placed anywhere.
Are you googling it?
No. Jazz hands. No.
Sure about it?
I know it यार, मुझे याद है. Switch कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. Switch तो कहीं भी हो सकता है ना, उसकी वायरिंग से ही करनी होगी.
I'm really suspicious now because that question is also correct. Congratulations, you scored 2 points. Fantastic. Am I asking you easy questions? I think I need to pump these questions up. Okay, next question.
और बोलो कि
question.
8वीं क्लास का कर दिया आपके लिए का.
Exactly. 8वीं क्लास का तो अभी आप चने गिन रही होती थी. Okay, question number 3 on your screens. Simple question. The absorption of nutrients and exchange of respiratory gases between blood and tissues takes place in. You want me to repeat the question? You look very starstruck now.
नहीं. हाँ, अभी बोलो. सेल में होता है ना ये.
अच्छा, सेल फाइनल आंसर है. ऑप्शन
नहीं, ऑप्शंस नहीं.
Option A, veins. Option B, arteries. Option C, heart. Option D, capillaries.
बताइए, ऑप्शन में भी नहीं था सेल. कॉन्फिडेंस देखिए.
ऐसे इसलिए यही होता है. What do you think?
क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दो.
ये जब मैंने पहले पूछा था तब नहीं रिपीट कराना था. हैं? नहीं कर रहा मैं रिपीट.
बच्चों के साथ ऐसे व्यवहार नहीं करते अभिषेक.
You know you're elder to me. और आप बच्ची हो. The absorption
नहीं होती है.
जी द्रोणाचार्य जी. The absorption of nutrients and exchange of respiratory gases between blood and tissues takes place in veins, arteries, heart, capillaries. बच्चे वैसे सही जवाब देते जा रहे हैं अभी चैट पे. मेरे को I'm pretty sure of that. What do you think?
यार मुझे लगा तो बायो ही अच्छा है मेरा. मैंने तो यहाँ पर सब कुछ ऐसे. Capillary.
Capillaries, sure. Think about it. You have veins and arteries also there in the options.
It's okay. उनका काम तो गंदा खून और साफ खून ऊपर नीचे करने का है, ये पता है.
Okay. तो वो भी तो ब्लड और टिश्यूज कनेक्टेड होते हैं ना?
ठीक है. कैपिलरीज.
Sure. Lock कर दे. How are you doing this, man? That is also correct. This is not good. I am not liking this game. I am not liking this game at all. What is this? I think I need to change the game here. What is this? Okay, congratulations. You have scored 3 points till now. That must be boosting your confidence very much now. Very well done. The next 2 questions are from mathematics. I can't ask you questions from SST and English both. And there are 2 questions from mathematics. How good you are at mathematics. You told me that you're not that lallu, but you are better here.
हाँ मतलब मुझे ऐसे नहीं लगता कि मेरी हालत इससे टाइट रहती है, but
ठीक है. What is
I've
the biggest
taught maths.
calculation? अच्छा, you have taught maths. Shit. Then
हाँ.
so.
Each for India के time पे. It's been some time. It's been few years, 4 years now.
फिर ये तो 8वीं क्लास से सवाल है, आप इजीली कर लोगी फिर. गड़बड़ हो गया यार. गड़बड़ हो गया. कोई बात नहीं. You can become the only teacher who have given all the questions correct for क्या आप 8वीं क्लास से तेज हो. If in case you concentrate now. What do you think?
और मेरे दिल की धड़कनें तेज हो रही हैं.
Good job. I know. So question number 4. The exponential form of 81 is. Exponential form of 81 is option A 3 raised to the power 4, option B 3 raised to the power 3, option C 3 raised to the 2, option D none of these.
एक बार फिर से options
3 to the power 4, 3 cube, 3 square,
3 to the power 4, 9 into 9, 81.
That is also the right answer. I'm not liking this game. This is not good. This is really not good. Oh my god.
Oh no, friends. नहीं, लेकिन अभी एक और सवाल बचा है.
एक सवाल बाकी है.
हाँ.
You're gonna get this question wrong. Take it. 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 millimeter square, 100 millimeter square, 1000 millimeter square, or 10,000 millimeter square.
मैं कन्वर्जन भूल गई हूँ. 1 सेंटीमीटर कितना मिलीमीटर होता है? मतलब मुझे ये याद है कि 100 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर, बट आई डोंट रिमेंबर मिलीमीटर. अच्छा नहीं, ये तो 10 ही होता है. सो यू आर आस्किंग 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, राइट? Would be 10 to 100 millimeter square.
Okay. That's the correct answer as well. Congratulations. 5 out of 5 in the क्या बात है क्लास तेज हो. The only teacher who got all the 5 questions correct. That is amazing. Give me a high five. Well done. You made it proud. You made all the SSC.
I rock.
You rock. You definitely rock. Oh my god. Smart. That's smart.
I know, right?
Well
देख लो भाई, जो लोग बोलते रहते हो ना कमेंट में खटिया बातें, समझ लो अभी, बच के रहना.
हाँ, so well done, yaar. Well done. मतलब you're so smart. Like from Bhojpuri movies to mathematics, it's crazy.
I know. What's the
crazy.
time?
You're all rounder. You're multi-talented. You are Burj Khalifa. Oh my god, you're amazing. Okay, great job. Very well done. You have scored 5 points, and I think just by this you have qualified for that 1,000 rupees. But let's see how well you do in the rapid fire and the favorite round of all the students, International Shabdkosh. Are you a fan of International Shabdkosh?
Sorry, what?
Are you a fan of International Shabdkosh game? No? You like this game? You've seen this game teaches? Great. Fantastic. So people, let's get into the game of International Shabdkosh. So इसमें होता ये अंकु मैम सिंपल है. मैं आपको एक वर्ड बताऊंगा and this word be noun from any language in the entire world. I'll tell you the language also, and you have to give me the meaning of that particular noun or meaning of that particular word in English, because of course you are such a good English teacher. I'm hoping that you're good at this, right?
इंग्लिश में अच्छी हो, बाकी लैंग्वेजेस में नहीं. क्या तरीका है? मतलब वाली बात हो गई कि अरे इंजीनियर हो, हमारे मशीन में कुछ खराब हो गया, इसको ठीक कर देना.
Exactly. That's how it is. You are expected to do this, right? Ready?
चलो
आपको मेरी तरफ से इसमें कोई भी हेल्प नहीं मिलने वाली. I'm really sorry. मैं बाकी टीचर्स की हेल्प करता हूँ, लेकिन आपको कोई हेल्प नहीं मिलने वाला क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी 5 पॉइंट जीत चुके हो. तो I don't think you need help. You are already smart. Yeah. I'll just give you a hint. All the Shabdkosh, International Shabdkosh words are related to your subject. Of what you teach, it will be related to you also. So think it very carefully. I'm going with the first question. Are you ready? You'll have 20 seconds to think about it. Ready?
टाइम लिमिट क्यों लगाना है?
टाइम लिमिट नहीं लगाना. अच्छा ठीक है. But we have to put some time limit. वरना आप सोचते ही रहोगे यार हम ऐसे बैठे रहेंगे यहाँ. हाँ कभी बोलोगे.
अच्छा ठीक है, 30 seconds.
So let me give you 60 seconds. Ready? Because I'm not going to help you, no? 60 seconds. ठीक है? Ready? Okay. The first is तन्हा.
Huh?
The word is Tanaha. What's the meaning of that in
Alone.
English? हिंदी वर्ड नहीं है
किस
तन्हा.
लैंग्वेज में ये?
इंडोनेशियन. हिंदी नहीं है, इंडोनेशियन है.
आप सेंटेंस में भी यूज करके नहीं बताओगे?
Of course not. Guess it. Come on, you can do this.
अरे तो कुछ hints दे देना यार, सिर्फ ऐसे वर्ड दे के थोड़ी बोल देते कि ये नाउन है, अब इसको बताओ इंग्लिश में क्या होता है.
देख रहे हो बच्चों, अंदर का बिहारी बाहर आ रहा है. देखो अंदर का बिहारी बाहर आ रहा है. देखो आप देख रहे हो, आप यहाँ पे यही है अंकों में आपके सामने जो ये राउडीज़म दिखा रही है ना, यही है. ओके. तन्हा इंडोनेशियन वर्ड, यू नो, it's related to geography. It's not a part of SST.
Maps.
No, very close though.
Boundaries. Mountains.
Ooh.
Boundaries.
No, but very close. Yeah, like the
अब
next
इससे
word should be
close
this.
क्या होगा?
The next word should be this after boundaries.
Army.
No,
I'm sorry.
you were going on the right track. Come on, think about it. Maps, boundaries.
States. Country.
Exactly
States.
correct. Congratulations.
Country.
Well done. Country is the damn correct answer. Fantastic. I'm glad that you're happy about it. High five. That was stressful. Great job.
Yeah.
You have
Oh my
two more
God.
questions though.
I know so many things even I didn't know about.
This closer is for self exploration.
Yeah.
Okay, so be on the same track. It will be related to your subject which you are teaching. So make sure you get the correct answer for the next one also. The next word is Koningen.
Sorry, what?
Koningen.
मैं
It's
भी
a
ऐसे
Dutch
पूछे
word.
sorry what जैसे कि ये तो समझ ही आ जाएगा.
It's Koningen in Dutch. What is it in English? Think about it. It's one of the topics in which you teach in SST.
Politics.
No. It's history. It's something related to history. Koningen. It's a Dutch word. Try relating Koningen. The English word is very similar to this. History, Koningen.
इंग्लिश वर्ड कौन सा ऐसा साउंड करता है?
हो सकता है.
नहीं पता मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है कि मुझे आंसर नहीं आ रहे हैं.
कोई बात नहीं, एक सवाल तो गलत हो ही सकता है. It's okay. You have been given all the correct answers now. Koningen, so much similar to one word in history. Not much relevant to this current generation or current era, but telling the word era.
Palace.
How does palace? Are you sure about that?
I don't know. I'm just taking random. Cunningham.
Koningen. What was the
Ah,
word
but
which
I'm
you
just
said the
trying
last?
to find something in English which is
What is the last word which you said?
Cunningham. I don't even know where did it come in my mind from.
No. What was the word? What was the last word you said after palace?
King. Queen.
Well done, Angana ji. It is king. Congratulations. It is king.
ये कैसे सिमिलर है अभिषेक?
Koningen king. How is it not similar? History है. Starts from the right same letter. It ends with similar to the
मैं
letter.
अभी बोल रही थी कि तुम्हें कभी टीचर बनना नहीं चाहिए, बट तुम अच्छे टीचर ऑलरेडी हो, तो ये यहाँ पे चल नहीं पाएगा.
Thank you. But I helped you so much, and you're doing so damn well. You are scoring the highest points till now. That is amazing. And I'm not gonna help you at all in the next one. No help from my side. You have to just guess it. I'll just tell you the subject which is coming from. It is coming from, I guess, money related. किसमें आता है? Economics में आता है. Economics में आता है money related. Okay, so the next word is coming from economics. The third and the last international shabd coach is impuestos. Investment. Are you sure? Impuestos is in Spanish. Investment is the word which you're thinking. Are you sure about
Yes.
that?
क्या एक ही अटेम्प्ट मिलेगा, ऐसा है क्या? ये तो रूल
नहीं,
नहीं
ऐसा कुछ
बताया
नहीं
था पहले।
है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
हाँ
60
तो
सेकंड्स
हाँ
है
या
आपके
ना
पास।
बताओ ना, जल्दी, मेरा टाइम जा रहा है।
नहीं, it's not investment. Impuestos.
करेंसी।
Oh, so close. Damn, so close. Impuestos.
Can I use my phone?
Of course not. KBC नहीं खेल रहे हैं।
एक तो लाइन लाइन होनी चाहिए यार।
टाइम एक्स्ट्रा दे दे, इतना ही है। Impuestos. इतना बड़ा लाइफ लाइन बैठा हो, इतना हेल्प कर दिया, और क्या चाहिए आपको?
थोड़ा सा
20 सेकंड और, 20 सेकंड और। हाँ।
नहीं तो तू शेयर कर दो ना।
नहीं, इतना काफी है। नहीं नहीं, एक गलत होना चाहिए। नहीं 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 नहीं।
प्लीज
Impuestos.
अभिषेक।
It again is similar to the word in something related to economics. Impuestos. Starts from the same letter as well. Impuestos.
Oh my God, how can I not know this?
Exactly.
Investment तो बोल दिया मैंने।
Right. 5 seconds more. 4.
यार मत करो ऐसे प्लीज। नहीं 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 नहीं।
3, 2, 1.
Currency.
So glad.
What
So
is
glad.
it?
It's impuestos is taxes in English, income tax. Impuestos. So you were so close to investment, money, currency. Oh, I feel so sad. Oh, Ankana, oh, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But you did fabulously well. How do you feel till now? You have been rocking. You have already gained 9 points. That's amazing, including that 2 points. Well done. Really good job. Until now, if I exclude those 2 points, you have scored 7 points already. That is amazing. You deserve that 1,000 rupees. Well done. But that does not mean we will not go to the next round. It would be the rapid fire from students. These are those questions which the students have said to us. Now, you should be really happy to know that, all in all together, we had somewhere about 5,000, 4,000 students voting down for the 8th episode. And out of that, close to 60% of the students voted for you. And somewhere about 3,000 students voted for you. And we have to churn around from those 3,000 questions which they asked. So we have taken the most amazing 7 questions out of it. I'm going to ask you that. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. So by the way, kids, how are you guys enjoying this session? मजा आ रहा है आपको अभी तक? भाई हमें तो बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आ रहा है. I'm pretty sure हमको भी बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. We all are, so thrilled about this entire thing. Which was the favorite part of this episode till now for you?
Reliving my moments of fame.
Thank you. Students, do let us know which was your favorite moment till now. But anyways, this rapid fire round also is really amazing as always. But we'll go into rapid fire. But before that, I also would like to ask you this. So, you came to Vedantu with a belief, right? You must have come to Vedantu कि Vedantu कुछ कर रहा है, इसलिए मुझे यहाँ जुड़ना है, right? So after entering in, where your expectations met, do you think Vedantu is trying to build up that life of the students, either in terms of education, also in terms of their life skills and personality? What do you think, believe about that?
I think there are a lot of things, and first of all, सबसे पहली चीज तो यही हो जाती है कि anyone with the intention when they come and try to help students in terms of
Right.
educating them, imparting some knowledge to them, वो तो वहीं पे मतलब that in itself is a very noble act.
Right.
ठीक है?
Absolutely.
But if I specifically talk about Vedantu, I think these initiatives that we take, and I think I'm saying we because now I'm also part of the family,
Right.
is not just with the regular teaching. So see, People who have the resources, it doesn't matter Vedantu or any other platform, they can just go and avail the education. But the people who do not have that resources, उनका क्या? उनके बारे में जल्दी
Right.
लोग नहीं सोचते हैं.
Absolutely.
And what I really love about this place is that we are trying to help those students also जिनके पास वो resources नहीं है.
Right.
But I mean, like that's the most beautiful thing, especially coming from a background जहाँ पे I've been related and associated with social work.
Right.
I'm very close to this. In
Right.
fact, nobody knows this. You know this, and only very few people in the organization know this. And I couldn't connect with my friend again and follow this through, but my friend was trying to reach out to so many people on on this platform. I
Right.
mean, like जो भी लोग YouTube पे है जिनका अपना प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू who has this provision की 11th और 12th स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्लासेस होती हैं पेड अनपेड जैसे भी बट ऑब्वियसली जहाँ पेड होती है वहाँ ज्यादा प्रिविलेजेस होते हैं थोड़ा डिफरेंट
Right.
होता है YouTube से
Right.
सो ये जो हमारे बच्चे थे ये टीच फॉर इंडिया के बच्चे थे और
Right.
गाइस इफ यू डोंट नो टीच फॉर इंडिया में गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स के या लो पेड प्राइवेट स्कूल्स के बच्चे होते हैं जो बहुत ही वीकर इकोनॉमिकल बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं सारे नहीं
Right.
बट मोस्टली उनके पास पैसे भी नहीं होते अपनी फीस देने के लिए कई सारे लोगों के पास ठीक है ऐसी
Right.
फैमिली के बच्चे होते हैं और 11th 12th में जब ये पैंडेमिक शुरू हुआ तो दे ओनली हैव हैड दिस वन सोर्स की मतलब गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में जाना है पढ़ना है उनके पास पैसे नहीं है कि वो ट्यूशन ले उनके पास पैसे नहीं है कोचिंग क्लासेस करें
Right.
so there were these few set of kids and my friend was writing literally to everyone in the market कि भाई उसके बच्चों को scholarship चाहिए if not at least एक account के लिए वो लोग access दे दे ताकि सारे बच्चे आपस में मिल बांट करके कुछ 30 बच्चे थे manage कर लेंगे and I know for a fact कि उसने जितने लोगों को भी reach out किया है and this is all the famous names that you know nobody responded and I just wrote one mail and these 30 students got their own personal accounts and now they're part of Vedantu without paying a single rupee.
Right.
So
And how amazing
yeah,
is that,
I
right?
mean, yeah, and I think that's so beautiful.
Right. Right.
So
Absolutely.
that's something I really love कि मतलब भाई कैसे भी हो जाए बच्चों को पढ़ाना है.
Right, absolutely. And this was just not one case because I've been a part of Vedantu from past 3 years. I know this is, a part of something which we have done from past many years. Like there has been so many government schools jahan pe, the projectors were set in their classrooms because especially for the board examinations, 10th grade students, government schools, a lot of them, maybe hundreds of them, the projectors were set and we were sitting and teaching, going on forward for their, classes. And it was so damn amazing. There are so many people like you who came up, said ki bhai hame inki bhi help karni chahiye, and we went on forward to do that. And latest, I think there was an article on I think Times of India also where I think some 5,000 smartphones were given to the government schools to students so that they learn online.
Yeah.
Right? Close to 9 lakh rupees were donated from Vedantu, where 3 lakh rupees were donated by the teachers. All in together from their own salaries, and the rest 6 lakhs was donated by the company because that was the demand. If they were more, they would definitely be given more. So, it actually makes us happy to be a part of this company. And I hope you're also, happy about that fact right now. Right?
Absolutely. I'm proud of it. I'm not just happy about it.
Right. Great. Yeah. So people, students, if in case you want to be a part of such, proud family of teachers itself, I'm pretty sure the link is on your screen right now. The topbdnt.in/ytpro is the link. And Anku ma'am's, coupon code is
ANKPRO.
ANKPRO. मैं confused था क्योंकि AK Pro मेरा है, अब इनका क्या दिया होगा इन्होंने. तो mine is AK Pro and ma'am says ANKPRO. So जो भी coupon code आपको apply करना है, definitely apply the coupon code. And I used to see this trend क्योंकि close-up से बहुत सारे बच्चे जुड़ जाते हैं. And after every Sunday I see a lot of students connecting with us in Vedantu. And that's such a proud moment कि मतलब ये यहाँ पे कोई academic education नहीं होती. And many students come up and say कि sir आप close-up क्यों करवा रहे हो in educational channel? I mean, bro, then you really don't know the meaning of education. Education is not only academic. It's also about your life. Yeah. It's also about your, inspiring towards someone else, as your admirations, your motivation. Everything is a part of, thing. And thank you so much, Ankara ma'am, for being a part of this session today.
Just learning. I think the whole process of learning, and you can learn from anyone and everyone.
Exactly. Absolutely. Yeah, that's fantastic. So even, as always, one small remark: do not apply both the coupon codes. कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Have you applied the coupon codes before, Ankana ma'am? Together?
Kya?
Have you applied two coupon codes anywhere? Myntra pe,
स्विगी
शॉपिंग
पे
करते हुए 2 कूपन
आई
कोड।
ट्राइड स्विगी पे आई ट्राइड
खाना ज्यादा important है। That is so
फूड इज लाइफ
fantastic. It's life. It's life. Great. Now entering into one of my favorite rounds once again. It is students' questions, or we call it as poll. And because these questions are really personal, and that's on basis is what you're gonna get your points. Also, you'll get 2 points out of this. Only if me and the students believe that you have not given the answers diplomatically. You will just have 5 seconds to answer. The first answer you get in your mind, that's what you have to answer. And almost all the teachers have done really well here. So you have a reputation of Vedanta to keep up here. You ready for it?
Yes.
Ready? Yep. Okay. 7
जी
स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, टक टक टक, जवाब भी आने चाहिए, टक टक टक। बच्चों का नाम भी लूंगा मैं किसने पूछा, ठीक है। पहला सवाल फ्रॉम कोहिनूर, व्हाट अ लवली नेम। इफ यू वुड गेट अ चांस टू रिवाइंड योर लाइफ एंड गो बैक टू चाइल्डहुड, which favorite thing you would do? It can be any shararat also. Which is that one thing you would like to redo it again?
I would just like to give up science and go ahead with arts in a heartbeat.
So you actually did science in your 11th and 12th, something like that?
हाँ, और मर गई थी मैं ऐसे रो रो के 2 साल निकाले मैंने। और ऐसा वैसा नहीं, पीसीएम विद इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग, और मुझे पहले दिन से पता था मुझे इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करना है। इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग ने तो मेरी जान बचा ली, बट बाकी भाई फिजिक्स, मतलब मैं बोर्ड एग्जाम देके आई हूँ, मैं कोने में ऐसे टाई वाई ढीला करके बैठी हुई हूँ डाइनिंग टेबल के साइड में। मेरी मम्मी ऐसे घूमते फिरते ही देख रही है कहाँ है, तो दिखा कि कोने में एक चूहे चूहे जैसा कोई बैठा हुआ है। शी वाज लाइक क्या हुआ है? मैं कहा नहीं हो पाएगा, देखो री देना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। बट शी इज सच अ वंडरफुल पर्सन। उसने कहा ठीक है, बाकी एग्जाम्स के लिए पढ़ लो, ताकि अगले साल रिपीट करो तो सिर्फ एक करना पड़े। एंड कैमरा हिल गया।
कैमरा हिल गया। अंकु जी क्या करके देखिए।
सॉरी।
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। हम आपका फिजिक्स का एग्जामिनेशन इमेजिन करते हैं, आप कैमरा से।
I don't know, I think I'll have to join the call again.
हाँ हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. बच्चों देख रहे हो ना, देख रहे हो ना बच्चों आप लोग। हाँ, वैसे अच्छा खेल लेती है अंकुर नागरा में अब तक, काफी अच्छा। What do you think so? Really good. Imagine सबसे ज्यादा पॉइंट्स अब तक, crazy. Who was your favorite out of all the teachers who came up in all the games? अंकल जी वापस आ गई, उनके सामने सवाल नहीं पूछते हैं। अंकल जी नमस्ते, वापस आ गई आप, क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया बात है। तो या यू वर कंटिन्यूइंग, या सो व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट? डिड यू पास इन फिजिक्स और यू वर लाइक लल्लू?
नहीं, I did.
You did? Oh, that's so cute.
मार्क्स मत पूछना बस।
नहीं पूछ रहा, मैं नहीं पूछ रहा। कितने आए? कितने आए पूछ?
क्या आवाज नहीं आ रही अभिषेक? हेलो हेलो अभिषेक,
बीड़ी जले ले पिया,
कैसे गा रहे हो?
बीड़ी लास्ट ईयर है, बीड़ी जले ले जिगर से भी। आपका फेवरेट सॉन्ग है ना वो? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2।
आप तो रिंकी के पापा हो गए।
I know, right? I know. Question number 2 from Seema. What is your biggest phobia?
Oh, I'm so afraid of heights. मतलब मैं 3rd फ्लोर पे भी अगर खड़े होकर के नीचे देखती हूँ तो मेरे पैर कांपने लगते हैं और मुझे लगता है मैं गिर जाऊंगी।
Great. I'm also scared of heights, but I try to overcome that by doing stuff. But great job. Okay, so you're scared of heights.
I try to overcome that by not going.
Not going. Not taking the risk itself. Great job. I love that answer. Okay. Next question is from Isha or Aisha. It's ISHA. I don't know. Aisha. Yeah. So,
Aisha.
which tana or the taunt does your mom give you when you wake up late in the morning? That's something usual people. Yeah.
मेरी मम्मी ने बहुत पहले गिव अप कर दिया मेरे ऊपर। And the funny thing is, I don't wake up late in the morning. I sleep late in the morning. So I sleep around 6 in the morning. तो मेरी मम्मी ने तो उठ रही होती है, मैं सोने जा रही होती हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसे इग्नोर करना शुरू कर दिया। मैं घर जाने वाली हूँ, she knows this is going to happen. तो पहले मुझे पहले दिन ही बोलेगी, बेटा कोशिश करो कि स्लीप साइकिल अच्छी हो जाए। तो वो दूसरे दिन से ट्राई भी नहीं करेगी, because she knows कि इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता है। उन्होंने मुझे लगता है 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में मेरे ऊपर गिव अप कर दिया था।
Oh my god. Oh my god. Such pampered child. Okay, question number 4 from Charan Teja ji. What weird things will you do? What weird things will you do when you're alone at home?
Oh my god. But yeah, if I stay with my family, ऐसे तो मैं अकेली ही रहती हूँ, so I don't have to do weird things. मतलब मेरे पास दिन रात option होता है to be weird. But if let's say I'm at home, तो अगर मेरे घर वाले जाते हैं तो मुझे यार सोना बहुत पसंद है. मेरी मम्मी काफी टेंस रहती है कि पूरे टाइम सोते रहती है, तो जब वो लोग जाते हैं मैं अपना कोने में ऐसे बिस्तर में घुस के फट से सो जाती हूँ.
That's a weird thing.
Yeah. No, that's not a weird thing, but the weird thing is that no matter how much I've already slept, I sleep again.
Okay. Next question is from Sharanya Sarkar ji. She's a wonderful kid. She's from 8th grade. I'm pretty sure she must be attending your sessions also every single session. If you become the exactly so, if you become the Prime Minister of India tomorrow, like tomorrow, which is the first law or policy that you would like to make for the nation?
For what?
Which would be the first law or policy that you would like to make for the nation?
I think I would just want to make certain changes in educational field.
For example,
I guess, for example, I know ऐसे तो नई education policy already आ चुकी है and a lot of changes have already been made, but I think वो
Right.
implement कितना होगा मुझे नहीं पता.
Right.
But I will kind of ये जो compulsion है बहुत सारी चीजों पे कि मतलब language होना ही चाहिए या marks इतने आने ही चाहिए. I guess I will just add co-curricular activities and anyone can opt for anything and it's not necessary to score in regular subjects,
Right.
but you can score in everything and just get through different classes.
Right, sounds absolutely good and not diplomatic at all. Next question from Anushka Gupta. The question is: if you get a chance to host Close Up with our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, then what would be your 3 questions in my questions round? Please tell the truth. Anushka, thank you so much for bringing up Close Up, where Modi ji is coming into the picture. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so please tell the truth.
God.
Which were the 3 questions you will ask our Prime Minister? Go ahead. Question number 1.
I don't know. This is very difficult.
The first question came in
What
your
will I
mind.
ask him? अक्षय कुमार तो ऐसे ही पूछ लेते हैं उनको आम पसंद है कि नहीं, आम कैसे खाते हैं. मैं क्या ही पूछूंगी. I've seen that show where he was asking all these questions to him.
Oh.
बाकी बचे हुए हमारे अर्नब जी पूछ लेते हैं. पर वो तो खैर उनकी तरफ ही है, but ऐसे in general
Right.
I'm saying.
Right. Well, it's a very critical question. You need to get those 2 points on. What about that?
First of all, I would actually want to know what inspired him and how did he get here. Because
Okay.
I'm not sure ये आपको पता है कि I want to join politics, तो मैं थोड़ी learning अपने लिए लेना चाहूँगी.
You want to join politics?
मैंने बताया आपको.
Yeah, I know, but great. Okay, that's question number 1. That you want to know
हाँ.
Modi ji's journey. Number 2.
आप इतना घूमते क्यों हो?
That's question number 2. Great. Question number 3.
बुलेट ट्रेन ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है या लोगों की गरीबी हटाना?
Oh my God, that is amazing. Good job. Well done. That is. I hope this does not become controversial, but yes, those were 3 good questions coming from that. I think that comes from all the citizens out there. Great job. The last question. You have been doing really not that great in this round, but very good.
What are you saying, dude? I did pretty well.
I think that's for the kids to decide. The next question is from Yamini. This is a proper HR question. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Owning Vedantu. I shouldn't be saying this, मुझे आज ही निकालती है.
You see yourself in owning Vedantu?
No, just kidding. But I guess I would definitely, I don't see there would be change in terms of what I'm doing. I would probably be teaching, otherwise politics.
Politics, पक्का.
Politics.
क्या बनना क्या आपको? प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनना है, चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना है, क्या बनना क्या है आपको?
नहीं यार, मुझे अपने झारखंड में ही रहना है. मुझे एजुकेशन का वो करना है. I just want to be education minister. That's it. मुझे और ज्यादा बड़े सपने नहीं
झारखंड के
हैं
एजुकेशन
मेरे.
मिनिस्टर बननी है.
हाँ.
What is that inspiration behind it? कि झारखंड का एजुकेशन
I think
मिनिस्टर बनना.
while working, so मुझे पता है कि झारखंड में क्या हालत है. मतलब गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में आप चले जाओ तो बैठने के लिए चेयर्स नहीं है, क्लास में टीचर्स नहीं है. मतलब इट्स जस्ट स्क्रूड अप. एंड ये वजह है कि वो स्टेट इतना पीछे है. मतलब लोग कहते हैं ना कि ये स्टेट इतना गरीब है या यहाँ क्राइम ज्यादा है, बट nobody really tries to understand why that is there. And in fact मैं आज ही पढ़ा रही थी कि क्यों education important है and how people become a resource for the nation.
Right.
So it's just simple. Education is the key.
Right.
और
Very inspiring.
हमारा जो conventional traditional thought process है वो change नहीं हो सकता है until unless you educate people and open their mind and make them aware and give them that exposure to the world.
Right. Absolutely. That's very inspiring. That's very inspiring. One inspiring line which came out of your mouth today, and that's fantastic. Very well done. Well done. Well done, Ankush ji. Well done,
को बोला
Ankush.
है अभिषेक.
No. I really enjoyed you having here. I'm pretty sure the students also did enjoy, you having here. I'm pretty sure of that. So, the students, what do you think? Should we give her 2 points and make her the highest scoring teacher in the, close up? We'll not consider those
Oh my
extra which she had
God.
got
I should
in
have
the
those
text to visit.
thug wala shades and na 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 na
Yeah,
na. You should have that music.
I know, right? I know. And that is going to come up in some other video. Don't worry about that. But yeah, great job. Yeah, great job. So I think not that diplomatic though. I think few questions were upfront and very good. Or the only place where you went diplomatic is the weird things that you will do in your home. Every place else I found it
मैं नहीं होती
okay.
ना तो आपको edit करना पड़ता.
Okay, great, fantastic. One of the weird things which I do, I don't know why, it's watching the home tours of houses. I love watching the home tours of houses. That's one of the weird things I do. I think that's my guilty pleasure. That's the kind of weird
But
things which
then
the students were asking.
you don't do it when you're alone at home. You do it you can do it anytime, right?
That is true.
हाँ तो सवाल
But
भी
again,
वही
also,
that's what I'm saying. वैसे तो मैं बैठ करके अजीब से YouTube पे वीडियोस देखते रहती हूँ जहाँ पे चाइना की बंदी गांव में एक पहाड़ पे चढ़कर फ्रूट्स तोड़कर लाती है और खुद से उसको
खाना
बनाती है.
बनाती
I watch these videos. I watch them a
I
lot. And I also
I
see
have
भाई इनके crores में views होते हैं. I wonder who watch these things.
and
The
they
people
have
like me.
subscriptions also really high. I have many people who watch this. I know many people who watch this. One of the person who is going to review this video is one of the subscribers of that particular channel. I know
Then
that
there's
for sure.
then there's this Korean college girl. Okay, I don't remember her name. I'm not able to pronounce it. Some G something. What she does is that she vlogs her day-to-day life. Every day, what
Right.
she's cooking, when she's going to school and stuff like that. It's just somehow very satisfying to watch it, like how she's cooking, what she's cooking, and then she would make. मतलब वो खाते हुए अपने आप को रिकॉर्ड भी करती है. She never shows her face, but whatever she's cooking, it's so interesting. मुझे पता है वो खाना बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं होगा, but वो बनाते हुए देखने में ना बड़ा मजा आता है.
It's very satisfying, very satisfying. That's great. That's good. That's
Yeah.
fantastic. So awesome. That's lovely. So what is how did you feel about the entire session?
Oh, it was
You had an
fun. It
amazing
was
time.
really fun.
Okay, which was your
Yeah.
favorite part till now, apart from that pictures all around? Nothing can beat that.
Nothing can beat
Can
that.
beat-
No, I think in general, yeah, if I am the highest, I mean, like if I've scored the highest, nothing can beat that. It's that rush, क्या वो एक सवाल गलत हो गया यार.
I know.
Income tax वाला.
I know. That's okay. You scored
Exam में
9 out
99
of
आ
10.
गए हो, एक मार्क को तो हो गया.
Exactly. You scored 9 out of 10, and that's an amazing thing. So great, yeah. Any last words from your side for the students for this particular session?
I just had a lot of fun. I just wanted to say thank you to the students who gave my name, and also not in a way.
Great.
मतलब
Great.
तुम्हारी वजह से मैं यहाँ पे हूँ आज.
we have
But yeah,
provided
I
you such
really
amazing
did have-
platforms now.
Yeah, रात के 12 बज रहे हैं. मैं ऐसे खेके करके हंस रही
I
हूँ.
know, यार
ठीक
यार
है.
ये सारे टीचर्स आगे बोलते हैं ये अभिषेक रात को 12 बजे रिकॉर्ड करवाता है, इसको पागल है क्या है? तो पीपल अंकना आपसे
सर पहले
पूछा था
शुरू
कि
करेंगे ना कि दोपहर में कब फ्री हो. ठीक है, उसका धीरे धीरे. मैम फिर मैंने कहा सर 4:30 बजे शाम को फिर सेशंस है. मैं कहा सर 8:30 बजे. फिर सर कहते कि मेरा सेशन 1 घंटा एक्सटेंड होता है. अल्टीमेटली इट हैज कम डाउन टू 10:30 और अब 12 बज गए.
No, that is the truth. आज भी मेरा 8:30 को सेशन था and it got extended to till 9:30. The 9th standard students know about it. So, but yeah, that's what I do. और मैंने जब अंकना मैम से पूछा था कि कब फ्री हो आप, मैंने उनको ये नहीं बताया क्लोजअप के लिए कब फ्री हो. I first asked her when she is free, then बोला कि क्लोजअप रिकॉर्ड होने वाला. Then she's like, oh, गलती हो गई. Great, अंकना मैम. That is so fantastic, and you are definitely on the top of the leaderboard right now of all the teachers who have come on the close up, but still there are two more teachers left to
ये
come.
ना हर एक सीजन में ऐसा हो
ऐसा क्या
तब
देखेंगे.
मजा आएगा.
There are 2 more teachers yet to come, and there is the finale also, which is yet to happen. So scoring abhi 3 लोगों से बाकी है, so do not worry. We'll see who someone is going to beat you or not. But one thing for sure, we'll tell about you in every upcoming session now. Okay, she's the leading scorer till now. Are you going to beat her or not?
Yes.
So well done. So we loved you having you here. I love this session. I hope the students also did. That's all from my side as well.
I did too. It was really fun. Thank you so much.
That's not a problem at all. So people, kids, if in case you enjoyed it, make sure that you hit the like button, share this video as much as possible, and subscribe to the channel right away. And let us know in the comment section which was your favorite section. And if it is not the picture wall section, then let me know which was the other section. If it was the picture wall section, tell me which was your favorite picture in that. Let us know in the comment section. I'm pretty sure Ankana ma'am will be
Please
looking
meme
forward
mat
to the
banana
comments.
yaar mera.
Please go ahead and make memes. As I told you, I am giving you all the rights of this particular video. No copyrights from coming from our side for this particular video. Go ahead and do whatever you want to have it.
I will
Please go
sue you guys.
ahead. She can't. The video is Vedantu's property. Don't worry, people. So go ahead, enjoy. So Ankana ma'am, it is one last salutation which we always do. This is Ankana signing off for today. Go ahead.
What?
You have to do this. You have to
Oh, I have to do this.
Ankana. Yeah.
Sign off.
This is Ankana signing off for today. बोलो.
मतलब कुछ अतरंगी करवाना है ना आपको. This has to be,
Definitely.
there has to be
दोनों अच्छे लग रहे
something. मैं पिछली बार डैब करा करके वो गाना गवा दिया था. What was it?
I know,
आज भी
right?
बच्चे लिख देते हैं.
Do it with both the hands. And you can say, this is Rinkia ke papa signing off. You can say that also. Go ahead.
This is Rinkia ke papa signing off. I should have done. Oh, वो rhythm गलत हो गया.
कोई
I'll
बात
do
नहीं,
it
कोई बात
again.
नहीं.
This is Rinkia ke
3,
papa
2.
signing off.
Awesomely well done. So people, this is Abhishek signing off for today. Thank you so much for attending this session. As I said, please make sure that you hit the like button, share this, subscribe to the channel. And the next voting is on. The Google form is in the description below. Make sure that you utilize that link. I'll do it the next time. Peace. How do you do all this? How do you do it?
मेरी बैंड बजी रहती है. यही सच है. देखो मैं पूरे टाइम ना, पहले मेरे आसपास खाने का सामान मिलता था, फोन्स मिलते थे, और मेरे पास आसपास किताबें मिलती हैं. It's just,
I found really interesting pictures of yours. Trust me. And you were on the pictures of Bhojpuri movies. I'm like, how's that? You were in Bhojpuri dance. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show it to people. I want everyone to look into this very carefully. So this is the first picture I want to show it to you. Okay? Check this out. Check this out. This is the first picture where you are, in a Bhojpuri dance.
I hate you, Abhishek. What is this? तुमसे बुरा इंसान मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं देखा है. अगर मेरे कभी बच्चे हुए ना, मैं कभी उनको तुमसे नहीं मिलवाऊंगी. या ये मूवी देख करके ना मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे पीछे पड़ गए कि बेटा आप शादी कर लो. इसके पहले तक उनके दिमाग में आइडिया चमका नहीं था कि इसकी शादी करानी. उनको लगता था कोई करेगा ही नहीं.
Raja, I was like,
Why have you picked up all the movies जहाँ पे ऐसे रानी वेड्स राजा?
And then I find you in PUBG. I'm like, how? You're in the PUBG's poster also.
बहुत ही घटिया आइडिया है आपका. मैं बता दे रही हूँ. आप जितना खुश हो रहे हो ना. How old are you? 6?
Oh, Ankana ma'am. Oh, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's okay.
And I just wrote one mail, and these 30 students got their own personal account, and now they're part of Vedantu without paying a single rupee.